Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're fitting an air horn to our Case Maxxum 150. So I got the air horn off Auto Sparky. It's a 2-foot air horn, and the Case Maxxum has its own air compressor, so we're just going to run a pipe from that to the horn to get the air supply, and then we're going to run power cable to the horn as well to give it power. And then we have to make some sort of clamp to clamp it onto where I'm putting it, because I'm not going to put it on the roof because there's a good few trees around, and I feel like if I put it on the roof it's going to get ripped off within a week or two. So that is the current plan.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
So the first step of the air horn was getting an air supply. So what we've done is we've ran a pipe from the back of the tractor here around to the side where we fit the air horn. So I'll just show you that now. So hopefully you saw there, it was that white pipe is the air pipe, and we ran it out of this air yoke here. So it sits on the tractor just like this. Hopefully you can see that. And then over here there's two nuts, and it's two bolts, and it's this one here on the left. It's kind of hard to point. That one there is the one we took off and then got a threaded fitting, the same threads, and put into that, and then attached the pipe onto it. So big thanks to Cooney Furlong for giving us this part, because apparently it was a scrap part anyway, but it helped us out because then we got the exact right threads for the job we wanted to do. But then moving around the tractor here, we decided to mount the horn on the side of the tractor here instead of the roof. I don't know how well you can see. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. But anyway, what we did is we've got 2 U-clamps, one there and there's another one there, and then a flat piece just across the top, and it's bolted. The U-clamps are bolted through there and there, and then the 2 bolts for the air horn are there, nuts and bolts, and then one nut and bolt up the front here. Then there's the air supply coming up and into the horn. That fitting isn't quite right, we need to get a better one on it, but for now it's holding the pipe there, but the air is leaking out, so it's not great. So it's just attached on there and then down, and then it's coming out there. But yeah, that's how the air pipe is. And then the power cable is coming up the handle here and it's connecting right there. So that power has come straight out of the front of the bonnet here, from all the way over here, and we traced it all the way back because then it's on the same button in the tractor, it's just the horn button, and it works pretty well, but the only problem is the air is leaking out of that a little bit, so it's not perfect. But hopefully all that makes sense, and obviously if you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave them down below in the comments and I'll hopefully be able to answer them. But we'll get a new clamp put on that, and then the air horn will be working well, and that'll be nice to see. So yeah, if you did enjoy today's video, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully there'll be another video in 2 weeks time, but there should be a bit more in this video. I'll throw in a few clips of me driving around and beeping the horn and that, and maybe there'll be footage of something else, you never know. But that's all the talking from me today, so I will see you in the next one.